Hi everybody. I hope you're having a great day today. Today I am finishing up some bags that I started at the beginning of the week. I think this is my fourth one. And this one I got a request for a name and a blue sparkly heart for the other side of the bag. Now, I'm using PE11 and I did the heart as an applique heart. And I also did, I will put in the description my 4-leaf clovers, and I show you how I do my quick applique heart in there. But what I really love about this is the lettering. When I click on the lettering, I have many different styles that I can do as far as format goes. And if you check mark the transform right here, it will bring up all these different styles that you can do. Now, once you have your lettering in there, when I put this in, the lettering was all the way around. So all I did was I changed the kerning on it, and you can see here when I hit it, let's go to -30, and it'll take a few seconds, all the spacing between the lettering. Okay, so the kerning will change that spacing, and I'm going to put this back to 39, -39, and then it will bring the lettering back together again. Okay, so you have a ton of different options that you can do in the lettering to make it just right for whatever project that you're doing. Okay, so I've already sewn this out, and we're going to go on over to the machine so that I can show you the other side of the bag that I'm starting to stitch out. Be right back. Okay, so we're back at the machine, and I am doing a design by sewinspiredbybonnie.com. And I purchased a lot of her designs a couple years ago. And this is one of her Perfect Buddies. And this is the tuxedo design. And we'll talk about her designs more in a little bit. But I've already got the glitter flex ironed down in the position ready to go. And as you can see, I've got her blue glittery heart on this side with her name on it. So I'm going to go ahead and let this stitch out, and I will be back in a bit. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm using my serger. This is my Husqvarna Viking Husky Lock 936. I'm using a 4-thread overlock, and I'm coming in here and I'm serging the sides of the bag, okay, because it's fraying. I do have my cutter on just to catch those extra threads that are coming apart here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I really don't like taking apart bags, but because I have a flat bed machine, it makes it very hard. You can't just turn the bag inside out. I purchased these bags at a store that was going out of business, so I've been using them up, but unfortunately I do have to take them apart. That's when you really need that multi-needle machine, is when you're doing bags or pillows or things just you just can't turn inside out and do on an embroidery machine. So we've got one side done. Let's get the other side. So now I've got a nice clean edge. So we're going to go ahead and do the other side. And then we have to sew the bag back up. That is always fun, to try and get it as neat as possible. I've been looking at multi-needle machines just so that I don't have to take bags apart anymore. And I do a lot of bags. That's the thing, is I didn't realize how many bags I would be doing, but I actually do a lot of bags. And I do pillows for my daughter's friends. So and I just run it off the edge. There we go. All right, so we're going to go over to the sewing machine and sew it up. So I'll meet you there. All right, so I'm done sewing the bag. I didn't think you'd want to watch that. So here it is. I have the glitter flex, and you can see it all sparkly on the glitter flex tuxedo cat on one side, and then I have her name and her blue heart, sparkly heart, on the other side. The bag is all sewn up, looks just like it did when I took it apart. Now, she has a really nice website. So it's sewinspiredbybonnie.com, and I will put that link in the description. I started purchasing her designs a couple years ago, and I've acquired a lot of them, and I just saw this piece of thread that I'm going to cut off. I started buying them a couple years ago, and I've put them on wheelchair bags. I've done coolers or candy holders for the bus drivers. She has snow buddies, and she has, when you download it, as you can tell, I've purchased a lot of her designs. You get it in your PDF, you'll get a color chart, you will get full instructions on how to do it. They're applique designs, and if you're not into the glitter flex, don't worry about that. They're applique designs. So this is one I did using regular material. Isn't this guy just so cute? Oh my goodness, he is just so cute. And the details really come out when you're embroidering them. These two I did, this is her bark buddies, and there's two dogs that live in our neighborhood that look exactly like this, believe it or not. So I did these two, and these are really nice. If you want to play around with the colors, I actually did this little guy. He matches one of our dogs that we used to have. So you can play around with it. She has the glitter flex on her site, so you can buy the design, buy the glitter flex. You can get a USB, so you can put all her designs on the USB, and you'll always know where they're at. So her link will be in the description. Check her link out and have fun with these designs. I think they're really cool. They're very whimsical, very adorable. I'm going to go look for a multi-needle machine though, because taking apart bags this week was just ridiculous. So if you could, put in the comments, do you own a multi-needle machine? Are you looking for one? Which one would you get? I'm looking at the Brother 1055X because it's got the Wi-Fi, so I will be able to use my software with it and go from there. All right, well, I've got to go deliver bags. I hope you have a great day, and as always, To all you embroiderers, sewers, and quilters out there, I hope you have a great day stitching. See you later.